Hello, my brave sketcher, on my 6th day of my show Urban Sketching Bite by Bite, where we every day, all this month for 30 days, part by part, piece by piece, we are drawing different elements of cityscape, such elements as traffic lights, road signs, crossroads, showcase, maybe entrance to the underground, or beautiful bridge, interesting bench, and so on. And the main goal of this show is to help all of us, all of our sketchers with different experience, to start drawing the whole bold and expressive urban sketches, easy without any difficulties, emotionally and very expressive. And anyone can join me to this project, and it is no need for previous experience. Your skills, your age, your style, materials which I use are completely acceptable, everything. Because, the main value is people who join us, people who are addicted to doing something creative, to try new things, to overcome difficulties. All of you are welcome to my project. And during this 1 month, we will create our own imaginary world, our imaginary cities, your own tricksterberg, as in my case. We will create this imaginary city from small city parts, like these benches and all our previous and future city objects. All videos to this show I collected in one playlist somewhere here. And if you missed the beginning of it, I can advise you to start from the first episode, and after that jump from one stage to another, from one video into another, and to the end of April you will gather the whole huge set of details of your urban sketching project, let's say. And today we will start off adding some secret characters to our yesterday's sketch with a bench, and who usually skips this part with characters, you can jump into the chapter where we are going to draw our today's object of a city. It will be showcase of a shop, so prepare your own photo reference. But before we will start, I would like to show you something funny. Maybe you already saw this dog. How do you have in English some options how to transform this word dog to explain this creature? Because in my native language, this is dog, it is собака in Russian. But this exact dog, not ordinary, it is like собаченция or something like that. Do you have such options in English language? Write me in comments who is fluent, who knows different options how to transform the language to get it more bright, more vivid, more engaging. I already showed you the process of drawing this dog, this crazy dog, I don't know. Dog is not enough for this one, so give me a clue how to name it. Video with the process of drawing is here. Who missed that video, you can return to it and watch. But as you see in the video, it was like naked dog. But after that, I was thinking about it and I decided to add this dog, the costume of bear, and I suppose it's super funny and really crazy. And I would like to inhabit my future corners of my trickster burg, this my imaginary city, some crazy creatures, not only people characters but other options. And tell me, which creatures would you like to see on my sketches? Write me in comments. Don't limit your imagination. Just write some superheroes, dinosaurs, so talking flowers, or give me a clue. I just want you to have some communication, to interact with you, and I can easily draw your suggestions into my sketches. Let's play this game. And now we are almost. And by the way, I suppose that sketches with characters, they looks much more interesting and engaging. So before we are going to start our today's practice, I would like to add here some character or characters maybe, but it's another another minute of interaction with you. Observe my sketch. Here we can see like this curvy bench, and pause the video here and try to guess which character will appear here on the bench. Write me in comments your suggestions, and after that I will start my drawing process, and you will see who will appear here in the reality. I give you a minute. And we are here again. For this sketch, I found very interesting reference. I really like this composition because these two characters, they are almost integrate to each other. They are like overlapping. They are too close, and they looks like Locon and snakes. Do you know this sculpture and this story? They are, everything is in one piece. So I will try to draw these characters on my bench. The bench is different, as you see, but for me this one even better, because the contrast between my characters and this bench is more clear. So I'm starting my drawing process. So I have got something like this. It is not a final sketch. I just gave you an idea how we can transform our picture into something more vivid. And even we almost lose our bench, but I suppose that this couple really really good enough to appear on the sketch, because they are very expressive and emotional, even if they are sleeping. I encourage you to draw with me. You never know how far this sketching practice could get you, even in 30 days. Which ideas will come to your mind, which project you will be able to realize. Continue to draw, continue to create, to explore your inner world and your visual style. Practice consistently, and you will get everything you need from sketching. And now it's time for our today's topic. For today it is more intermediate assignment. We will choose more complicated assignments in future, but sometimes we will return to more simple objects to embrace different aspects of urban sketching and to be prepared to draw simple and more complicated elements of the city. And it will not be boring for you, and it will not be overwhelming for you. And our today's topic is city. No, not city. Our today's topic is showcase in the shop. And I found sort of showcase, this interesting reference. I like it very much because I like this ancient sculpture, and I suppose this is some books here or maybe some materials for creativity. That's why it was my choice. It is not complicated, to be honest, but it is my choice. And I'm interested in your reference. What have you chosen today? Maybe some, bakery, or maybe beautiful dresses or shoes, or what kind of showcase have you chosen? Write me in comments. And now it will be a sketching practice, and after that I will return to you and we will discuss our today's experience. So I would like to finish something here. I suppose it's enough detailed sketch of the showcase, and I would like to see your sketches for my today's topic, and you can show me your drawings in my free Telegram channel. The link will be in the description. You can share your sketches and your thoughts, your today's impression in the comments to today's post. I suppose that here it was no place for additional characters. I will think about it, but I'm not sure that I will find a way how to add someone. If you have some suggestions, you will definitely can write me them in comments, and I will try to add something unexpected here. Like this. I adore this hat, to be honest. And today in the morning I had a live stream where we were drawing our sketches, our interpretations of Caravaggio masterpieces. It is well-known, very famous and rebellious artist from the 16th century. I will put a link to that live stream somewhere here, so if you miss it, you can return there and try to draw something from the past. And this hat get me a clue. Maybe in future we can draw some sculptures, some heads of ancient Romans. If you would like to do it, it is very interesting. Now I just tried it, and I can assure you that it is very interesting and pleasant practice. So that's it for today, I suppose. And now it could be some additional trickster part. If you like my characters and my sketches to this urban sketching project, if you are a viewer or maybe you draw with me, if you like my odd imaginary city or Tricksterburg, if they inspire your creativity, you can send me your jokes about them, your memes, maybe your short stories, maybe your redrawing of my characters into comments to the video with that character, or maybe into my Telegram channel. I made a special post for your creativity according to my characters. And I will put a link into description, so you can easily find it, and you can send me your results of your creativity during the whole project, for whole month. And some of your stories, some of your pictures I will show in my upcoming videos. I invite you to this interaction, to this breathtaking creative game. So that's it for today. By the way, if you need a list of topics to this project for upcoming videos, let me know in comments, and I will prepare this list for you, because some people would like to know topics in advance, but some prefer surprises. So our tomorrow's topic will be street clocks. Prepare your photo references in advance, and tomorrow we are going to draw some sketches with street clocks. I wish you a great practice, a lot of inspiring, and a very nice evening. See you on my tomorrow's video, and bye bye.